Hello, today we are going to do this inspirational eggs. Those are the quotes: inspire, smile, faith, laugh, wish, love, believe, dream, peace are all the different quotes that you can put on the eggs. So here it says it has 12 stickers, 6 coloring tablets, 12 egg stands, and an egg dipper. I'm going to open the package. We have the egg dipper. We have the stickers. They're more like, I don't know, decals. We have the egg holders. They're double sheet. I'm like, oh. So you have 12, and then you have the die tablets for the eggs. This one appears to have been broken into many pieces. I am not using dyed eggs to do this project. I will use fake eggs and show you how it's done. Here is one of the egg holder stands. There's slits, you just slide them together. And voila, you now have an oval for your egg. So I think I'm going to use these silver or these very shiny eggs. That's where they came from, or who I had them in my stash. Who knows? So here's my egg. It looks very similar to a hard-boiled egg. Very colorful. I'm going to keep my egg on its side. Put it in my egg holder on its side. I'm going to take my first sticker. And so my first sticker right here is coming up with the paper. So my second sticker is doing the same thing. But then I tried to go at it at a different angle and it came up. So I'm going to try to find the center of this egg and try to rub it on there so it's a beautiful hope. This is by far my favorite kit so far that I have done. So I'm going to pick a different egg. I'm going to do a smaller one. I think I'm going to do the lid. So put it on the side of the egg. Oh no, this says love. I said live, but it really says love. Push down all the sides. Look how cute these are. Again, I don't use dyed eggs because they make a mess, and I enjoy, I don't know, I just enjoy, plastic or different design, just colorful eggs. This faith one, I think I'll put it on a big green egg. There you go. So faith, love, and hope. And do they look like this? Nope, they don't. But they do look like it if they were the same colors. Very honest decorations, very simple, and maybe would be for older kids or someone like me. I hope you enjoyed watching this.